There are certain atomic models that plays a vital role in material science and engineering. We don't have to go too much into detail of this, rather because these atomic models are studied more specifically by the chemistry people. But for material science, it's quite mandatory for us to have an overall idea about this atomic models. So first thing, let's see here what is quantum mechanics. It is established a set of principles and laws that govern the systems of atomic and subatomic entities. It also stipulates that the energies of the electrons are quantized. So the concept given by this quantum mechanics is that the electrons' energies are quantized. Then we have Bohr atomic model. So in this model, here the electrons here are assumed to revolve around the atomic nucleus in discrete orbitals. That's the common atomic model that generally we used to follow. That we have got nucleus and then we have certain orbits, and in those orbits we have some electrons. Then wave mechanical model, the latest one, we consider this, in this model we consider this electron to exhibit both wave-like and particle-like characteristics. So electrons can behave like waves as well as like particles. So as we can see this diagram, so here we are showing some two different wave patterns. So first pattern we have out this like this shown with a bold curve, and then another wave pattern is shown with dotted. Then we have got some nucleus present inside, okay, and this is your wave axis. And what is this n? N is 4. So here as you can see, so if you start from here at this particular point, so this will complete one cycle. Then from here to here it will complete another cycle. So second cycle completed, then third cycle, and then we have 4 cycles, right? So quantum mechanics established a set of principles and laws that govern the systems of atomic and subatomic entities. It also stipulates that the energies of the electrons are quantized. Clear? Bohr atomic model. In this model, the electrons are assumed to revolve around the atomic nucleus in discrete orbitals, and in wave mechanical model, here the electron is considered to exhibit both wave-like and particle-like characteristics. The purpose of putting this slide in this lecture is that sometimes they ask some objective question, mostly not in your GATE, but of course in engineering services, because in engineering services paper 1 you have got this subject material science and engineering basic concepts, and in the fundamentals they ask anything, you know. So that is the reason that we have put this thing in this particular slide. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.